Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are back again with yet another review video, and today we have got a brand new product for you, which is a very useful product. And this product, even before I'm making the video, I have purchased this product, I've used it, I've recommended it to people as well. Check this product out guys. This is a headphone. It's a wired headphone from the brand of boAt. You can see the details over here, you can see the product. So this is a boAt headphone, which is the variant is mentioned over here, you can see it. You can go ahead and see the full review of this product guys, and if you're indeed in need of a headphone, just blindly go for it. This is one of the best headphones it's there in the market. I have been using it personally, and I can tell you it's one of the best headphones that's available. Few things that I'll tell you what are the key features that you should keep a check in the video while during the unboxing is it's a USB type USB-A headphone guys. So you just plug and play, you just plug it and you're good to go. Any device you can, even let me tell you, on a mobile phone, if you're connecting a USB-A converter to type C, this headphone will support on a mobile device as well, along with laptop PCs and everything. For gaming, the performance is really good, the mic quality is also good. So go ahead and check out the video. If you still have any queries, get back to me at the end of the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are back again with yet another review video. So this is the product guys. ये है आपका product boAt का Brass Head 900 Pro headphone, wired headphone. So ऐसा कुछ नॉर्मल पैकेजिंग है, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो. यहाँ पे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर्स, यहाँ पे प्राइस दिया गया है 5000 का 4990 बल्क पर. ये प्रोडक्ट गाइस बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. ये प्रोडक्ट हमने परचेस किया है अमेज़ॉन से. ये हम लोग को डिस्काउंट में मिला है 899 में. जनरली इसका प्राइस 1000 रहता है, डिस्काउंट में कभी 899 में आपको मिल सकता है. सो इसका प्रोडक्ट को जेन्युइन नहीं है या नहीं चेक करने के लिए आप यहाँ पे ऑथेंटिसिटी ऐप डाउनलोड करके वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं गाइस, विच इज़ अ गुड स्टेप बाय अमेज़ॉन बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रॉड प्रोडक्ट्स आर कमिंग इन नाउअडेज. सो नाउ या let us quickly unbox the product and see what are the things we are getting inside. So just push it from here, this comes out. Okay, this is a normal packaging with boAt sticker badging over here, so we need to just slice cut from here. That's it. Yeah, it's out. Okay, let us see what are the things that we are getting inside the box guys. So first thing out is the headphone itself over here. Okay, a boAt head sticker like always, which we get it with boAt products. A user manual of the product over here mentioned with the specifications and quick start guide, plus a warranty card. I guess this is, yes, so this product comes with 1 year of brand warranty guys. So this is the warranty card. Now let me quickly keep this aside and look into the main product. How does it look? Okay, so here is how the product that looks like guys. So first up, this is how the product looks like. As you can see, soft leather flux cushioning given over here. Okay, same on the rims also. Now this is a USB-A guys, that you can see USB-A cable, and the best part of this is guys, you don't need to change any settings once you get this connected to any USB-A port, and you're bang on. The next time you play a media, it's going to be, you're going to hear the sound from here on the headphone. So now this is how you can fold it. It's a foldable version. You can bring it in the smaller size if you need to carry it or not. So it's very compact. Just fold it like this and you can just pack it and you can carry it. It's very foldable. Another best thing guys with this product is this mic. It's a 3-way adjustable mic guys. As you can see, this is, you can put the direction of the mic can also change like this, plus even this is flexible guys, see, which is a good thing. Over here guys, you are getting a controller on the wire, which helps you to do on and off over here, turn on and turn off. You are getting a scroll volume up and down button over here as well. You can see this is the one. Length of the wire is not bad, it's quite good. Also guys, let me tell you, this product is not a waterproof product, so or nor a water resistance product, so you need to be careful about that. See, you have the boAt badging over here, you have the left and the right indicators given over here, as you can see on both the sides. Overall it's a good product. Also you can extend it guys, so you can see over here, this is one of the best headphones in terms of quality and price that's available in the market. There are other headphones which are also available, but coming with the price, it's coming in $890, and actually the quality, be it you're listening to OTT, you're watching OTT movies, listening to songs, or even taking conference meeting calls, you're wearing this, you get a great performance from this, and the sound quality is really good. So yeah, so this was basically the product that is there with us today guys. I hope you have liked it. Also guys, I hope by now you have already subscribed to our channel. If not, do subscribe to our channel. Let's Review with Krish. Pause the video, go and press the bell icon, click on the subscribe button for such great videos. So I hope by now you have already watched the full unboxing, you have got an understanding of the product at the price that it's coming on guys. I think it's one of the best products that's available in the market. No setup needed, nothing, just plug and play. Quality is good. You have a volume controller, you have an on and off button, it's at the USB-A, it's easily convertible to a Type-C, it supports over there. I think this is one of the best products that's currently out in the market, and one of the best products that boAt has come out with. Out of all its product categories, I think this is one of the standout products that boAt has come out with. So with that guys, we come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you still have any queries, do reach out to me on Instagram, Facebook, or you can comment below on this video. I will go ahead and help you out with your queries. Like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to do that guys. Thank you. Until next time, stay tuned to the channel.